So what we're using today is the Whisper retainer wire system for installing Whisper NB. And what you can see here is the Whisper NB Eco. The retainer wire comes about 450 millimeters long and is made of stainless steel, and you should use it with stainless steel fasteners. However, you can use it with wood screws, as we're doing today, because I happen to have a wooden wall here, or concrete screws as well also exist, and there are a number of those available in hardware stores. The retainer wire is designed to be installed 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, and then 1 and 1 in the center of each 1.2 by 1 meter panel. Use a bigger panel, obviously double the number of retainer wires you use, and but the preferred panel is of course 1 meter by 1.2 meters. So always fit a top flashing. Now all of our acoustic testing and our validation testing was done without a top flashing. However, it looks much tidier with a top flashing, and it will certainly help to enhance the appearance of the product, and also any thermal expansion and contraction will help to minimize the appearance of that for a nice tidy finish and a very happy client. Also, using the top flashing and the bottom flashing enables you to be a little bit rougher with where you place these on the panel. So we're not exactly worried about exact measurements in terms of the distance from the top. So approximately 100 millimeters from the top and 50 millimeters from the edge of a plank, you should put your first one. Now the good thing about the Whisper is it's a foam, so you can actually push the screws in and hold them there ready for screwing. So it's a very simple exercise. Okay, so and of course if you're using concrete, you can pre-drill your holes using a concrete screwdriver and a hammer drill. So very simple exercise to install your panel. Yes, I missed a screw. Okay, so now we can see there that there is a little dent. If we leave that alone, it will come out. Just make sure it hasn't been caught under the screw head. You can give it a realignment with your hand. Okay, so about halfway across the panel, and if you choose to measure and mark, you can mark Whisper with chalk, so about halfway. So I'm going to put down that row there, put our screws down that row there, so and I found a nice fast way to do this is of course to have the screw already inserted in the next wire ready to go. So simple, fast way to do this. So we have our 3 series of double retainer wires. Now, very important not to miss this step, which is to put one in the center position about halfway between the two rows of two. Okay? Now, remember we put our chalk marks on it. You can just, with a microfiber cloth, just like the one you use in your car, clean the windscreen in the morning. Done. Nice tidy installation. Now we can see this is held very firmly and very nicely, and it's not going anywhere. Thank you.